Hey guys, today is a little different video for you all. I am out looking for my blind cats. I know that I didn't have to let these beautiful cats out because they can see, they don't have eyes, but they are cats after all, and cats need to play. This little one love to go outside and enjoy the wind because it's a normal cat after all, even if she can see. There is Link. Link also is a little sick cat because his tail is immobile. He have no feelings on that tail because he was run out by a car in his back, but he's okay now. Just his tail doesn't work, sadly, but he's a happy cat. Again, back with the blind cats, or also Kiki. She's Kiki. How, like I was saying, blind cats are also normal cats, so they enjoy a lot the wind outside and walking and just play with the grass like Molly back then. So that is my actualization for now. It was raining yesterday, but now it's a little bit better. So we're going to go inside with my cats now, Molly and Mina. That is all for you today. I hope bring you all new updates about my life with them cats. Bye bye. Yeah, bye.